Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $20 per hour watching simple YouTube videos. Now before getting deep into the content, remember to like this video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be releasing more videos like this in the future about affiliate marketing, Shopify dropshipping, making money online. And remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of my future video releases. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very great opportunity. It's a very simple method by watching simple YouTube videos. You don't need to have any experiences. You don't need to have any special skills required. You can do this at any age. If you're 14 years old, 15, 30 years old, even 60 years old. And I'm also going to show you a special hack to get this done on autopilot. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. And I'm going to show you the special hack and step-by-step instructions of how to make this a success. Now the business model involves transcribing audio from YouTube videos and making them your subtitles or closed captions. So as you can see here, the CC, this is what I mean by the subtitles. You know when you play videos and then you see subtitles down below, right here. So if people want to actually read about anything that you're saying inside the video, they go and click over here, English auto generated. So there's going to be captions down below. So why transcribing audios from YouTube videos? Now other than the other factors like the thumbnail, the content itself, the title of the video, transcribing the audio and putting in the closed captions actually helps YouTube promote your video using the YouTube algorithm. So you get more views, your video ranks higher in search, and also it will show more inside the suggested videos where most of the views from your videos is going to come anyway. So overall, it's an easier and more accurate way for your viewers to actually read your videos inside each and every one of your videos. So maybe sometimes they couldn't hear what you're saying, but they actually want to see your content so they can read the closed captions down below accurately. Alright, so in order to do this, you have to go to the Creator Studio, which you click over here, and then you go to Creator Studio and down to Videos. And when you get to the videos, you see that the video that you want to transcribe, you click on Edit, and then you're going to be brought to Info and Settings at first. So you click on Subtitles/CC. Now by default you're going to see this English automatic. So this is actually a closed caption that YouTube has by default. So it extracts anything that it thinks you're saying from your video and puts it inside here. But the problem is most of the time the things that are transcribed by default from YouTube is not that accurate. So sometimes you might be saying something else and then it spits out something else that sounds a bit same as what you're saying, but not the exact same thing. Alright, so there's two ways that I figured out for you to actually transcribe the audios from these YouTube videos. So way one involves manually copying and pasting all of these inside a Word document and then correcting the mistakes. Now the second way involves the special hack that I mentioned previously at the start of this video. So it's going to immensely help you transcribe these audio clips inside YouTube videos on autopilot. Alright, so first I'm going to show you the first way, which is manually doing it. So you take each and every one of these, you go to your Word document, and then you simply copy and paste them. So alright, so for example, I'm going to take these lines. So as you can see, there are some mistakes inside here. So if you want to correct them, you go like this. So, alright, for this one, for instance, mailing boss, so it's actually supposed to be mailing boss autoresponder, so delete this. in Builderall. If you don't know who I am Next. So it's actually NEX. So from Pixel Next, so capital P. Alright, so you get the idea. So this is one way you could go, but actually this isn't a way that's very easy to do it. Alright, so now that you know that what kind of business model this is, so now you can actually advertise your service. So the best way to go about it is to sign up to Fiverr.com, which is actually a freelance marketplace. So Fiverr is, as I said, a freelance marketplace where you can advertise your services. So if you're good at a special skill set, you can advertise your service inside here, and then people will happily pay you in exchange for whatever you're offering to them. Alright, so for this instance, the YouTube CC business model, so you can type up in the search YouTube Transcribe or YouTube CC. Doesn't matter which one, they're relatively the same thing. And as you can see down here, all of these sellers are offering the services of actually transcribing YouTube videos. So they're starting from as low as $5, and alright, so as you can see, he got nearly 300 reviews and 5 stars. So this guy is actually very great at this. Okay, so let's see him. Alright, so 5 days delivery, up to 10 minutes. So for the basic, for his basic charge, it's gonna be $5 to transcribe 10 minutes. And then he also has upsells as well. So he could also charge $15, $45 for the number of speakers, minutes included, delivery time. So if the person wants it to be faster, then he's gonna have to pay a lot more. So these are several ways that you can go about it. So as you can see, YouTube creators actually pay other people to transcribe their videos because they're starting to realize that it favors the YouTube algorithm when you have closed captions that are more accurate to what you're saying inside your videos, right? Alright, so now I'm going to share with you the special hack on how you can transcribe these videos on autopilot. So it's very simple. You just go to Google and type in Google Docs. Alright, so what we're going to leverage here is actually the voiceover tool inside Google Docs. So you go over here, Tools, and then you click on Voice Typing. So basically you can type up words in your documents based on voices. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the second hack. So you open a separate Google document inside your Google Chrome, and then you separate them like this. Now you could play the video. Alright, so first you go to Tools, and then you go to Voice Typing, and then you play your video, and then you click on this so that it will start to capture everything that you're saying and put them in words. Right. But to be honest with you, sometimes you don't have equipment that sound that good. So another way you could go is, you see the default transcription on the left, you put it side by side, and then you just read them out one by one. So, hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your external domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy or Bluehost into your mailing box autoresponder and in Builderall. If you don't know who I am Next from Pixel Next. Feel free to comment and subscribe. I'll be releasing more videos about Builderall, affiliate marketing. So as you can see, it's a more accurate representation. So when you're done, click on this. Alright, so it's very easy. So when you take the transcription, you copy everything, and then you go back to Creator Studio, Videos, Subtitles /CC. Okay, you click Add New Subtitles or CC, English. and then you click on this one, transcribe and auto sync. Alright, so you simply paste it inside here, and then you click on set timings, and then that's it. So that's an easy way of how you can transcribe YouTube videos and put in the closed captions. If you find this content to be valuable, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.